Welcome back to another product video. We're gonna be talking to you guys about roadside assistance today. This product, it comes with their extended warranties, it comes with your tire and wheel, it comes with a bunch of different other products out there. But some dealerships we work with, they wanted a standalone roadside assistance program that they can offer to their customers. Basically, it's customizable any which way you want, term, length, coverage, however you want it, we can create it. If you want it to cover towing, but not, tire changes, or if you want to cover tire changes, fuel delivery, lockout, Jumpstart, and whatever else you can think of, roadside assistance is a great bundle product. It's a great giveaway. It's a great buy here. It's a great membership program. Whatever you can think of, whatever you can dream of, we can make it happen through roadside assistance. If you have any questions or any ideas that you want to share with us to try to get a quote or have us put something together for you, we'd be more than happy to do so. Comment below, send us a message, fill out the form, or do whatever you got to do to get in touch with us, because let's make your roadside assistance dreams come true.